that I attended.
Tama na!
Ano na? Tuloy mo.
No!
No! You know what is kidding? Ouch.
Ouch.
I'm not kidding.
Kidding.
You know what is kidding? What is kidding? We're not grown? When you grow, you're growing. When your brain is like her, you're dying. Ouch. Ouch.
Wala na regalo.
What is hypothalamus?
Ay, punta naman sa final of day.
Okay.
Ganyan ang masama.
What is the main function of hypothalamus?
Emotion of the
Kaya pinag-iimunan
Emotion
ko
of the
talaga.
people. How about psychology?
behavior and mental processes.
So, do you think you're mental?
Mental.
Mental disorder?
No.
Do you think you have that kind of thing in your mind?
All of us.
Ay, ito na ang bell.
Why?
Nice
Because
answer.
I believe.
Ah!
That's the function of nature. Teach them well and let them lead the way.
Support nila.
The law may be harsh, but
Nora exit, Lex.
I think ako rin na nakita. If you would be given a chance to have a, gusto mo wala akong choice. Here's my question for you. Let's say we are in the Miss Universe pageant. Contestant number 1 is Philippines. This is your question.
Ano university ka?
Choose.
Mamo, hindi naman na serial, be. Hindi naman na serial. Lalagot.
Oo, yari ka dyan ba?
Alam mo ba?
Sukat yun, be.
Kahit ako, may pinadikit sa'yo, masusunog yung balat mo. Ayun akong titira sa sunog. Let's say, you're Miss Philippines. This is your question.
What? Ay, bakit di ba university ba?
English.
I thought it's...
No, binago ko na. Okay, this is your question.
Oh.
If you would be given a chance
What is
to
the
have
chance?
to have a plane ticket.
Plane ticket of
Yeah,
what?
ulit. To have a plane ticket.
From?
In what country do you want to go and why?
Rome.
So, I'm the judge.
Host na judge pa.
France?
France.
Paris, France.
Tuyo ko na ano, hindi na may Miss Universe. Tumarap ka sa
Ang sexy mo na.
Why? Why?
Gigil
Why?
Huh?
Why?
I love the food of French cuisine.
Ah.
That's all.
Okay, thank you very much.
Food talaga.
Yes. Ayun na sa
Food talaga gusto dyan.
Contestant number